Number 9, a car wheel has a 22-inch radius as shown here. Through what angle to the nearest tenth of a degree does the wheel turn when the car rolls forward 2 feet? So this 2 feet, if you think about the wheel rolling, is kind of like the circumference touching it or the arc length. So we had formulas earlier. We had the arc length formula, which S stands for arc length. It was S equals R theta. Now we want our arc length to be 2 feet. Now I'm working with here inches and feet. So the first thing I'm going to do is convert these to the same units. 12 inches is the same thing as 1 foot. So what I'll do is, since I have 2 feet, I'm going to double it. This would make this become 24 inches. Now I have the same unit. This would represent, the tire would roll on the arc length. So this is the arc length. This is my S. I'll say S equals 24 inches. R equals 22. So if I need to find my theta, I'm going to plug these in. Now, S we just discovered is 24, and that will equal my R, which is 22. Now, technically, these are both inches, which will cancel each other out when I do my one step here. What's my one step to get theta? Well, I divide the equation by 22, and that would cancel the inches out, and so it'll leave us with radians, because every formula comes in radians form. Remember that. This is in radians here. So I go over here, and 24 divided by 22 should be the same thing as 12 over 11. And I'm just going to leave it as 12 over 11 for a second. That's in radians. Now if I want to change it to degrees, remember to convert, that's an ugly theta. Let me try that again. If I want to change this to degrees, I take that 12 over 11, and I'm going to multiply it by 180. And divide it by pi. This will give me my answer in degrees. So this right here is in radians. This should get it to degrees. So we'll go to calculator, we'll type these in. We're going to have, it was 12 over 11 times 180 over pi. And we get 62.5 degrees. Let's come back over here. 62.5 degrees. It says round to the nearest tenth. Let me make sure I did round that correctly. Yes, I did. So that would be our final answer right here.